Today I'm going to show you a program called Windows Movie Maker. This program allows you to create videos on your very own PC. Two great things about this program before we get started. One, it's very user-friendly, and two, if you have Windows, you have this program. So let's go ahead and get started. Go down and click the Start button. Go to All Programs, Windows Movie Maker. If you don't see it right here in this directory, go up to your Accessories, Entertainment, and it should be right there. Go ahead and open Windows Movie Maker. And here's Windows Movie Maker. Today I am going to create a picture slideshow. You could create your own video, but I'm going to use pictures instead of video. So right here, this is 3 movie tasks. We're going to start in number 1. I'm going to go ahead and click Import Pictures. Again, if you have video, go to Import Video. And if you have video but it's not on your computer yet, you can capture it from your device, so say your camera. So go ahead and click the link that applies. So I'm going to say Import Pictures. I'm just going to use the sample pictures for today, so I'm going to click Blue Hills, hold down my Shift key because I want to select all the pictures, and click Winter. See, now all the pictures are selected. Now I'm going to go to Import, and now you see the pictures are up on my screen. This area in which the pictures are located is called the Collections area. So once you import something like audio files, your video, your pictures, this is where they'll appear. And now I'll talk about this bottom area. This is your timeline area. If it doesn't look quite like this right now, it probably looks just like this. This is your storyboard timeline. We're going to use the regular timeline today, so I'm going to go and click Show Timeline. And it should look like this. This area is broken up into what goes where. So the video or the pictures goes in this first area. Transitions goes in these 2 areas. Audio or music goes in this area. And then titles, like if you add title cards or credits, that's where these will go. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and import my audio before I get started, just so I have that in my collections area. So go up to Capture Video and click on the link that says Import Audio or Music. I'm going to go ahead and use my sample music again. So I'm going to grab both selections, so I'll click on Beethoven, hit my Shift key, and click on New Stories. And then I'll say Import. See, now both the audio files are located right next to my picture files in my collections area. So right now I'm going to pull my picture files into the timeline. So I'm going to click on Blue Hills, and I want to bring all the selections into the timeline at once, so I'm going to hold down my Shift key and click Winter. See, now all of them are highlighted. So go ahead and grab the selection, hold down your mouse, and drag right into the video timeline. Now, once your pictures are in the timeline, you can adjust them as you want. So say I wanted to make this last picture a little longer. I would go ahead and select the picture, and if you go to the edge of the picture or the beginning, you'll see this double red arrow. I want to make it a little longer, so I'm going to hold down my mouse and drag for as long as I want to make it. Now, if I wanted to make it shorter, I would do the same. So click the picture, get the red double arrow, hold down your mouse, and place the picture where you want it. So now you can see the selection is a lot shorter than the other ones. I'm going to go ahead and make it just as long as the other ones. And that's about it. So if you're watching your video right now, it would just look like this. And if you're playing your video to see what it looks like, you can press this play button, or if you like using your keyboard, go ahead and press the space bar. I'm going to go ahead and press the play button, and you can see in this area what your video looks like as of right now. Go ahead and pause your video, and I want to add my audio into my video. So I'm going to select both audio files. Again, select one, hold down Shift, and select the other. And then you drag into your timeline. So now you can see the audio files are a lot bigger than the pictures. So go ahead and select this first audio file, get the red double arrow in the edge of the file, and bring it in as far as you would like. I'm going to bring it in right about here, and then I'll pull over my other audio file, and now I want to try to overlay my audio files so it's not just a sharp jump from one audio file to the next. So go ahead and click on your selection, hold down your mouse, and drag the selection right over the first one. So it should look a little like this. By doing that, the first selection will fade into the second selection. So again, so it's just not a quick jump from one to the other. And now I'm going to drag in the edge of this audio file by clicking the mouse, holding it down, and getting that red arrow and putting it just where I want it. So we're actually almost done with our video. Now I'm going to go to the second movie task, which is Edit Movie. I want to add video transitions. So I'm going to go to View Video Transitions. Click on the link. And right here there's a whole library full of different transitions. I'm going to go ahead and put transitions in between each one of my photos. So I'm going to go and click just random ones. I'll click this one, and you put it right in between your selections. So it could be photos or videos. It's really up to you and what you're doing in your project. Put stars. And now you can see that the transitions have really shortened up your video. You can go ahead and adjust, again, by clicking the selection and dragging it. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to just pull in my music just so it comes to the edge of the last picture. So, almost done. Now I'm going to make title and credit cards just so I can have them at the beginning and end of my video. So go up to Movie Task number 2, Edit Movie. So make titles or credits. Click on the link. And I'm first going to go to title at the beginning. So I'm going to call it Amelia's Movie. Once you're done and you have your title, go ahead and click on the link that says Done, Add Title to Movie. And Windows Movie Maker automatically inserts your title card right in the beginning of your movie, which is pretty nice. So now I'm going to adjust my audio once again, just so it's to the last picture. And now I'm going to add credits to the end of my movie. So go back up to Movie Task number 2, go to Make Titles or Credits, and here you can also see that you can add clips within the movie. So if you wanted to add a title card in the middle of your movie, which separates the first and second part, you can do that. But I'm just going to go ahead and add credits at the end. So click Credits at the end, and I'm just going to say The End. Go ahead and have it all lowercase. And once you're done, say Done, Add Title to Movie. A cool thing is that Windows Movie Maker, automatically scrolls your credits, so it looks just like professional movies. So once you're done, again, say Add Title to Movie. So right here you can see the selection has been placed at the end of your movie, and I'm going to go ahead and once again adjust my audio. So now you're done. This is just a basic movie. We did it in just a few minutes, and now you can do it too. So before I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and save my movie. So go up to File, Save Movie File, and this window will pop up. It's a Save Movie Wizard. So I'm going to just save my selection onto my computer. It's really up to you. So I'm going to say Next. And now you can pick your file name. So I'm going to call it Amelia's Movie. I want to save mine to my desktop, and that's already been selected, so I'm just going to leave this selection. If you want to save it to a specific folder, you can just click Browse and pick your destination. So go down and click Next. Here is where you set this, where you have the settings for your movie, so how big you want it and the quality. I would suggest picking the middle selection that's best fit to file size. So if your file size is way too big, you might not be able to upload it to a website or email it to a friend, things like that. So you want to keep your movie pretty small. So keep the selection between 3 and 4. I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 and click Next. Now that my movie is saving, once it's done, it will open up in Windows Media Player and you'll get to see it right away. It's just about done. And now I'll leave Play Movie when I click Finish and say Finish. And now your movie pops up right away. And now you're probably watching your video. Congratulations on creating your very first video. I'm going to go ahead and sign out for now. Go ahead and explore Windows Movie Maker because you can create some great practices. So go ahead and have a ball.